Guys, I think it's time. I think we're all gonna die. I think it's the end of the world. I'm not a doomsday person, prepper, but I do have them prepped just in case something bad happens. First, I gotta show you something. And there's dust flying everywhere. Hopefully we don't die. And I have a phone just in case. And like this place is like crazy, so I'm hoping there's literally not going to be I'm hoping there's literally not going to be a tornado. Can you guys even hear me? It is so stinking windy out here. You guys probably can't even hear me. I'm grabbing stuff. It feels like there might be a tornado. I'm kind of gonna blow some stuff in the back of the pilot. Hopefully not die. There, all right. So guys, so okay guys, so it's pretty crazy out here. Oh, guys, you're still recording? My camera kind of got whited out. I think it was because of the wind and stuff. Here we go. Oh goodness, it's getting windy again. I better close back the pilot. Alright guys, so to all of my subscribers, if I die, and I hope you don't die either. So it's so crazy out here. It's like the sky looks like we're all gonna die. I need to get inside. Oh goodness. Yep, there's tornadoes are. No, I don't think it was. Do you guys see the clouds out there? Do you guys see the clouds out there?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. Earlier I asked Siri what the wind speed was.
Yeah, that's good.
Earlier I asked her Siri what the wind speed was, and she said like 25.
Yeah, your hair looks like you've been windy well.
Yeah. Okay guys, so
20, wait, did you say 25?
yeah.
25 is not that fast.
That was like a few minutes ago.
I bet it's speeding up to like 80 now.
Jeez, 80? Okay. See you guys.